In this video, I'm going to show you how to backup pictures on your photo library to Files app on your iPhone. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up your Photos app. Here you can hit Add Library or you can hit Add Albums and open up some specific album if you want. I'll just open up Recents, and there you can tap on Select to select multiple pictures. I'll just pick this bird's picture, and after that I can hit at that Share button, then scroll down for a bit and select Save to Files. Now it's move on to iCloud Drive. I can hit there at Back and I can select any location that I want. It could be iCloud Drive, or I can save them to my iPhone. I'll select on my iPhone. There I can select any folder. Here I got one Downloads folder. I can hit right here at three dots icon, and then I can tap Add New Folder to create it. I can name it Backup. Then I can hit right here at Save to save those photos to new backup folder that I have just created. I hope it helps you guys, so don't forget to like and subscribe.